Hey guys, it's Bad Sarah. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and helps us grow so we can bring you more quality content, and then we'll go ahead and get you to the gardens at Bellagio a lot faster. Hey guys, welcome back to Ace of Vegas here. Today I wanted to go ahead and just start going down the list over here of all the games. I think I'm going to go ahead and start with Bridesmaids today since that one made an appearance in the main Facebook game too. Just to go ahead and see how things were. I wanted to go ahead and try it out, see if we can do those 100 spins and see how far we get. So you guys know the rules. We go with the third bet line on the bets over. Oh, 5 million. Jesus. Oh my god. Alright, new plan. We are going to get closer to the. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go with the 500,000. That looks a little more reasonable. I did not know that it was going to be. Yeah, 5 million. That's pretty insane to have that. We're starting off with 117,773,096 chips. And we're going to go ahead and do 100 spins on the clock, going 500,000 apiece, meaning we're going to be risking 50 million chips. That's almost half our bankroll there, over 100 spins. So let's go ahead and see what we do, starting now. So Bridesmaids, I think it's based off of some movie that I haven't seen. I'm assuming it's a romantic comedy or some sort of combination like, I don't know, Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants versus The Hangover or something like that. That's what I'm guessing. I don't know. Not sure if it's set in Vegas. I haven't actually looked at the movie. I haven't had any interest in watching it personally, but I'm sure it's funny. It looks like we got some top quality actresses there. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll see about that maybe another time. I don't know. We'll talk about that another time after I actually watch the movie. I know I have a tendency, I'm hard to watch movies with because I have a tendency to do what's called sinning movies. And I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen CinemaSins or if you've seen my other channel, Team MLB Presents, but we did this, I actually did this little video with the Joker of Yu-Gi-Oh!, who is now the Legion of Yu-Gi-Oh! With his mate. And what we did is we actually found everything wrong with the Yu-Gi-Oh! Movies, and I tend to do that with every single movie I watch. And there's another actual channel called CinemaSins, where they actually count up all the sins that a movie has, everything wrong with it, be it scientific inaccuracies or just things that annoy the producer and the writer and the star there, and it's just something that they do. And we got our first Bridesmaid bonus game here. We're only about 25 spins in. So you have two different options. You can either do a dress picker bonus, or you can do a free puppy spins bonus. I like to do the dress picker because what the dress picker does is you actually have to pick through so many different dresses there, and then you pick up your bonus chips from there versus the free puppy spins, where you just get continuous free spins and they go in a sticky. But let's go ahead and do the dress picker bonus. And if we get another one, we'll do the puppy spins. So we can win over 55 million as long as we don't hit 3 rolls of toilet paper. So we just go ahead and pick. Alright, 150,000. That's good. Alright, and then we got one of the stars in the movie. We've got another 2.5 million. Good. Hopefully this isn't. Oh, that's TP. So we got one. We don't want to get any more. 300,000. We want to see another face because we want to collect all the faces over here so that we. Oh, that's 2. And that's going to be our third one. Nope, nope, okay. So we got another good face. Another million. Hopefully this doesn't stop us here. Okay, I want to collect at least 3 of the ladies there. Darn! And then it flips over. Yeah, that was a predestined sort of thing. So we didn't do so hot on that one there. And I guess that's them picking a dress or something like that. And I guess we didn't pick the right dress was the problem. So that's why that's the way it is. That was a pretty good spin there, and we get respins, sticky respins here, for a huge win of 9 million. Another huge win of 13 million, and then one more big respin over here. That's a huge win of 20 million. Wow, so normally if this was a real slot machine, I'd probably just go ahead and walk away at this point. But obviously we are not playing a real slot machine, we're playing my Vegas slots, and we have to keep going. So we're gonna keep going just to see how we do. And this is after about 29 spins now. We're actually up considerably, which is nice. I actually like being up 30 spins in. And that's the thing about these games. They're super gimmicky, these promotional games like this, when they're tied into like a TV show or a movie or something like that. They have these gimmicks just to get people to play them. And I feel like they're usually like a chip drain because they have these really high bets. But we got kind of lucky on the sticky spins there, so hopefully we get another bridesmaid bonus. We're only about we're about 40 spins in. We got 60 more to go. I'm gonna work on a couple more videos this weekend. I'm thinking about doing like a My VIP and then a step-by-step process of actually. Oh, we got a Senor Cilios bonus there. So I forgot that was like the promotion that's going on right now. I should also do another one about why I don't actually play through all the quests and the promotions, because I find that those are actually more chip drains than anything else, and the rewards aren't usually proportionate to the risk that you take. Just burning all your resources and not being able to move forward. So there's that. Ooh, we got another sticky respin right there. That's really cool. Get those wilds in there. Alright, 7,500. Another 7,500. Okay. Didn't do quite as well on this one. Alright, 900,000. So, because those are the only ones that count. The Megans and the Beccas. Things like that, depending on who came up. Alright, we're about halfway through our spins now. I feel like we're going to start losing more chips at this point. Honestly, if we break even on a game like this, I am just going to be super impressed, really. Ooh, we got a mini jackpot. That's pretty nice. I forgot about the jackpots over here. So depending on how many cakes you have on the screen at the same time, these little mini cake icons I can show you. So mini cake icons like this, depending on how many of those you have, you actually can trigger a jackpot. That's right below the deal sign there that you can't see because it's hidden behind deals. So another thing to consider. Like I said, a lot of fun little gimmicks here and there. It's really all about the bonus games. Your regular spins don't get you very much, and nothing really matches up. So, alright, we're about 60% there. Hopefully we can get another bridesmaid bonus in the last 40 games here. We got some good wilds. A couple nice little wilds peppered in there just to keep us going. And we may get a good upgrade here. Another level upgrade. Alright, moving forward. Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually watch this movie, see if it's about anything funny. I would see if it's like really good, you know what I mean? Because I haven't seen any other, like, I haven't really seen any wedding movies. I've never been big on wedding movies, honestly, just because I don't particularly like going to weddings. Is another thing too. They're just they're time consuming, and often when people bring me to weddings, I don't really know everybody like that, so I don't usually get super behind it. But it's I guess they're fun to go to every once in a while. But I certainly won't watch a wedding movie about people I don't actually know. So yeah, I don't think I even liked Wedding Crashers really that much, and it's a funny movie. It's got Vince Vaughn in it, and Vince Vaughn is playing a comedic role, so that's always good. I just hate to see him in a dramatic role because he doesn't do well in dramatic roles. He's just, I don't know, he's too ridiculous. I think that's the problem. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Oh, we got another extra little bonus here, so we're still going to count those towards our chip total. It's basically the same as in a casino if you're playing with your player's card, if you get some extra free cash or whatever. What's this? And these goals are super arbitrary. I don't even know what the next one is. 340,000 chips. That's going to be really easy. So we're just going to be going back to back, and I think we might be getting that bonus wheel spin. And then we also leveled up while we were there too, so we're getting all sorts of extra little bonus chips. The slot is cooled off a little bit here. I think we're about 85 spins in, and I'm not seeing too much else going on. Yeah, we should have hit on that one. 80,000. I feel like that's taking us to the bonus wheel here. After this, we got to get 600,000 experience points, which will be up in another 2 spins for sure. Yeah, and then here's our next one. That's gonna fill up the meter over there. 1,000. All right, and let's go ahead and spin the bonus wheel now. And let's go ahead and see what we can multiply this by. Hopefully we actually get that 20 times. I'd be happy with a 10. That's at least 660,000. And we do get the 10 times bonus there, so good place to be. Let's take it. Let's take that free, those free chips, those free resources. Because, the chips, at the end of the day, are just resources. That's the whole reason we're doing this. We're trying to see how long we can go and how we can manage our resources better. That's why we're looking for loose slots, so we don't lose too many resources while we're trying to play. Alright, last clip of spins over here. Got 6 more to go. I wonder if we can get another bridesmaid bonus. I don't think we can, though. Only 5 more. So that's 5. And that's 4. I'm getting ready to abandon ship. 3, 2, 1 more, and that's it. Okay, cool. So it looks like we ended on 139,918, or 139,918,096 chips. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break here in math for a second, then we're gonna go ahead and talk a little more about this. Okay guys, so we did the math on it, and it turns out that we risked 50 million chips doing the 500,000 at 100 spins, and we ended up with 22,145,000 chips more is the thing. So ultimately, that leaves us with a payback percentage of 144.29%, which is crazy, especially for a mobile bonus game like this. That actually was pretty good. So not much else to say about this one. We did pretty good on the bridesmaids. I think that our current contender is still Mandalay for being the loosest slots in my Vegas slots, but Bridesmaids did a really good job, and it actually kind of made me want to see the movie. I just want to see it now. I don't know. I probably won't go out of my way to a theater or anything like that, but I will definitely be picking it up on DVD or downloading it from Amazon, I think, and supporting the official release now. So hopefully playing the game supported it a little bit too, I'm hoping. And yeah, we'll just go ahead and go from there. I think next time we're going to do the Munsters, because I know another one of my friends likes to play the Munsters game, and he says he's been getting killer luck on it on the desktop version. So without further ado, Ace of Bats is signing out.